Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to prove Fiverr seller account. So you can open the Fiverr app on the Android device. So here is my Fiverr seller account. So I can approve it. So I will go back and open the Google Chrome and I will type here to how to approve. So you can open the first community of Fiverr. So reason why selling account not approved. So one, incomplete or inaccurate information. If you provide incomplete or inaccurate information during the registration process, Fiverr may not be able to verify your identity, which can lead to the account not being approved. This is the one. So violation of Fiverr's terms of service. If you have previously violated Fiverr terms and conditions such as engaging fraud activities or providing service that are prohibited, your account may not be approved. So you can read it carefully. And number 3, underage user. Fiverr typically requires user to be at least 13 years old to create an account. If you are underage, your account may not be approved. Fourth, low quality or innovative services. If the services you offer do not meet Fiverr quality standards, or if they are in the violation of their content guidelines, illegal and or innovative services, your account may be not approved. This is the fourth one reason. And the fifth one is multiple account. Creating multiple accounts on Fiverr can result in its rejection of one or more accounts. Fiverr typically allows on only one seller account per individual. Geographic restrictions. Fiverr may have restrictions on accepting seller account from certain countries or regions due to legal or security reasons. If you are in such a location, your account may not be approved. And this is the seventh, verification issues. If Fiverr cannot verify your identity or the information you provided, your account approval may be delayed or denied. So tip is, to ensure your Fiverr seller account is approved, make sure to provide accurate information during the registration process. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.